Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate grid and guides in Photoshop step by step clearly. To activate the grid in Photoshop, start by opening your document. Navigate to the top menu bar. Click on View. From the drop-down menu, select Show. Then choose Grid. You will now see a grid overlay on your canvas. To customize the grid, return to the View menu. Click on Edit Grid. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to change the grid color, style, and size. After adjusting the settings, click OK to apply the changes. Next, to activate guides, go back to the View menu. Select New Guide. You will be prompted to choose either a vertical or horizontal guide. Enter the position value for your guide. Click OK to place the guide. To remove a guide, simply click and drag it off the canvas. To enable snapping to the grid or guides, go to View again. Make sure Snap is checked in the drop-down menu. You can also enable Snap to guides to ensure your elements align properly. For a more precise placement, use the Ruler feature. Activate rulers by choosing View and then Rulers. Now you can easily see measurements along the top and side of your document. You can toggle the visibility of the grid and guides anytime using the same methods. Adjust as needed for your specific project requirements. Now you are ready to work with grids and guides in Photoshop effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.